Hello everyone. This video we are going to look how we can transfer money from Dubai Islamic Bank to other bank. It may be in within UAE or outside UAE also. Okay. So within UAE, if you're transferring in a sense, how much of charges will be applicable, how we can add for beneficiary. Okay. So these all detail we are going to look in this video. Let's see. First, you can type it for DIB, okay, Dubai Islamic Bank. If you're having for user credential, okay, for net banking credential or mobile banking credential available, you can log in, or else with the help of for your ATM card also you can log in for respective account. Okay, so from here I'm having for user credential, so I'm going and clicking over there for the login button, and from here it's available for the user credentials. Okay, based on that I am login, so you can use for any other way also. Okay, at the right side corner you can click for quick login. So once you're clicking this one, this is what the option will show. So either UAE pass if you're having in a sense, you can log in that way, or ATM card you can log in, or user credential. ATM card in a sense you can go for quick login session. As the same process you can do it with a mobile application also. Okay, I'm doing in web browser. For mobile application also you can do it as a same. Once you're clicking this one, it will ask you for the security question answer. So what is a security question which you have given earlier? That question will ask you, you have to provide for the answer, then you can continue. Suppose if you forget in a sense, little more steps will be there. Okay, so I have given for the answer over there. So the interface will open like this, and from the top some menus available, right? From the top, from there you need to click for the transfers. Okay, through the transfer only we are going to do for the transfer. We are checking how many transfer is available. So it is available for between my account. Suppose if I am having for a DIB account, some other branch in a sense, we can transfer. Other DIB account, it means within UAE, if you are transferring for any other account, means any other person holding in DIB account. For domestic transfer within UAE, you can send for at any bank. And international transfer will be other country, and express transfer specially applicable for 4 countries only. So what are the 4 countries this express transfer is available? We are looking right now. So if you're having for beneficiary, you have just you can click for existing, or else if you're going to add for new beneficiary, you can click for add beneficiary. What is beneficiary in a sense? Which person you're going to send money, that is called beneficiary. Okay, so I am clicking as add beneficiary over here. Right now we are checking for express transfer, how it will be working. So from here you need to select what is a way of transferring money. So we are clicking for express transfer. So under the beneficiary name you need to select, and beneficiary country, it is applicable only for these countries only. So India, Jordan, Pakistan and Philippines. Okay, these are the 4 countries only you can use for express transfer. Other countries you cannot use. And domestic transfer also, expressway you cannot do it over here. Okay, so express transfer in a sense you can use it for these 4 countries with the help of beneficiary address as well as for IFSC code. Okay, so these country immediately you can transfer it. Okay, if you're having for DIB account, that is a benefit will be available over here. Okay, from here, suppose if you are sending in a sense, you can add for the beneficiary all the detail. You can click as proceed, and immediately you can send it for the money at the fraction of second. Okay, so this is a way applicable for express transfer. Okay, and the second thing we are going to look for domestic transfer. Okay, so you can ask international transfer and express transfer, what will be the difference in a sense? In other country, apart from these 4 country also you can transfer it for international transfer. Okay, and express transfers, especially they have given these 4 banks only. Okay, that is a difference between these 2. So now you can understand how you can add for beneficiary. Okay, now we are going to look for domestic transfer. So it means DIB to any other bank which is located in UAE. That is what we are looking. So from here it will ask you existing beneficiary or new beneficiary. You can click as new beneficiary. Okay, existing in a sense which we added already. That person we are going to send money in a sense, that is existing, or else new. So from here two-way you can send with the help of IBAN number or else with the help of card, that is ATM card number. Okay. So most of the people did not provide for ATM card, right? So they will provide for bank account detail only, and from here it's available. Minimum transaction will be 10 and maximum 1,50,000. This set limit we can set. Okay. So from here with the help of IBAN number only. So what is the IBAN number they have provided? Okay, in which account you are going to send, that IBAN number you need to provide over here. Once you are giving for the IBAN number, automatically name as per beneficiary bank, it will show over here. Okay. So it will not show you as a full name, but you need to type it as full name after selecting a bank. So I am selecting for Emirates NBD over here, and beneficiary name I am typing. Okay, what will be the full name, which is hidden over here. Once you are typing for IBAN number, automatically it will show for the name. Okay. And for beneficiary name you need to type it, and for the transaction amount you have to type it, and transaction fee for domestic transfer it will be 1 dirham it is showing. So whether you are bearing cost, in a sense you need to select for remitter. Okay. If the beneficiary bearing this 1 dirham, in a sense you have to select for beneficiary, or both a person need to bear, in a sense you need to select for shared charges. So I am selecting over here for shared charges for 1 dirham. It means what? 50 fills I will spend and 50 fills for the beneficiary to whom I am sending. No, that person account they will cut for 50 fills. So for the description I am sending for service cost. Okay, for my vehicle service charges will be applicable. So that service charge only this person I am sending for repairing cost. So from here I'm selecting description. You have to type a description as service charges, and transaction type, many type will be available. Simply you should not choose, you have to choose it for the specific thing. Okay, based on that the cost and all will be vary. Okay, so you have to select for the proper one. So I am selecting over here for service, different services is coming. So I am selecting a repair and maintenance charges. So after that you have to click a save beneficiary. From here you need to give us any nickname. Okay, any shortcut name you can provide for the respective person. And after that you can click as I have read and understood. Suppose if you are scheduling for the transfer for tomorrow, in a sense you can schedule it, but I need to transfer right now. So from here I'm clicking for 10 dirham only, because I'm checking for the account. If it is transferred 10 dirham, and after that I can transfer remaining balance. So if you're transferring for 10 dirham also, you need to spend for 1 dirham for the transaction fee. So once you click as transfer now, so it will transfer to a respective person. Okay, immediately it will not transfer, it will take it minimum for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this is what the information will show, and after that you can verify all the information. Under that you can click a send OTP. Once you're clicking send OTP only, you will get it for OTP. Okay, so it will be valid for 5 minutes. So once you receive for the OTP, just you can type it over here, and after that you can click as confirm. Okay, so all the detail you need to verify first, because if you're sending for bulk amount, better you can send it small amount. Once if it is credited, then you will be happy to send for remaining amount also. Okay, so from here it is showing for domestic transfer, all the detail. The transaction is submitted successfully. It means what? Transaction will be accepted, but this 10 dirham will not transfer to respective person. So it will take it for 4 hours duration. And in the meantime you're going and checking for beneficiary detail. Okay, normally beneficiary detail in India and all, it will take it for 24 hours. Okay, so depends upon the country, it will be vary. So right now from here we are looking immediately we can do it or not. So immediately it's not possible. So 4 hours it took for timing. Okay, after that only it will be updated. Just in order to check, in a sense you can check over here. If you're clicking for transfer, and right side corner beneficiary is available, and from there you can click for manage beneficiary. Okay, once you are clicking for manage beneficiary, it will show you the status. The current status will be pending. Why? Because immediately it will not update. Okay, so that's the reason I told you all the detail will be saved, but it will take for transferring for sometimes will be 4 hours, sometimes will be more. See here 17, that is 542 I sent for money, and 946 only 10 dirham credited to respective person, and see here the transaction charges 50 fills deducted my account. Okay, because transaction charges will be available earlier for 1 dirham, so 50 fills for mine and remaining will be deducted from the beneficiary account. Okay, so this is a way you can transfer. Once you are getting this message, you can transfer it whatever amount remaining balance will be there for bank, as well as for managed beneficiary also will be added in your account. I think this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can subscribe as well as comment below, and every video like will be helpful to me for doing more video. This kind of financial insights will be helpful to you. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.